So let's get into making the weapon ability we want to make for this Mace of Crushing. Okay, we're going to make a more powerful version of the Overpower, and you'll see how this gets added in as we move through these videos. So let's go ahead and scroll back up here, and we'll go ahead and close out this template here, and let's go into the scripts. All right, and then we're going to go into the globals, which is already open, and then we're going to go back and find that weapon ability. Do you remember where it's at? Okay. It's in the static data. Yep. And then it's under weapon abilities and then back down to weapons. Now, if you still have the modification, which I think I removed it, you can keep yours. I'm going to go ahead and recopy it here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab Overpower. Paste it down here. And then we're going to change this to Super Overpower. Okay? And then we're going to change this modifier value to 90. And we're going to change this to 90. And we're going to change this to 35. Because we want it to be extremely exhausting to smack your opponent this hard. And so we're going to try to find and make our very first icon change. We could use the whirlwind icon, but what other icons can you pick and how do you find them? In game, we will type in custom, like you would to make a custom command. And believe it or not, if you put your cursor over the icon, it says the icon name is reposit, right? So it actually gives you the name of the icon. Right, so the whirlwind is in here, and I want to make, this is going to be called a Super Overpower for a Mace Crushing, and so I'm just going to like go down and weigh my options and see if anything looks like it makes sense. This bash here, I'm going to go ahead and use that. So if it says bash and it's capitalized B, you want to spell it exactly like it says, so B-A-S-H. That's pretty simple. Overpower. We'll change this icon name to Bash. All right. So now this is all we need to do to I changed the display name. Let's go ahead and call this Super Overpower as we got up here, and then we'll change the icon here to Bash. All right. Sorry for leading you astray there a little bit, but we're good. Again, this is all you need. And now we have made a brand new weapon ability that works like Overpower. It uses the Overpower script, and we've got more modifiers. But what if we wanted to spice up the Overpower effect? We're going to make the Super Overpower mobile effect in the next video. So I'll see you in that. And we are done. This is all you need to make a new weapon ability, at least based off of one that's already created. All right, I'll see you in the next video, folks.